Hi guys, today I'd like to review this CooKoo rice cooker that I purchased about 6 months ago. And to be honest, right now I am in love with this rice cooker because it stays sticky for such a long time. It's been 28 hours since I cooked the rice, and let me show you what it looks like inside. So you unlock it, and the rice looks still great. So one of the recommendations that I have is you just have to clean this part really thoroughly. Often, I gotta say once in 2 days, because I use rice and I eat rice every single day. So if you do that, the rice does stay sticky for such a long time. And like I said, it's been 28 hours and it tastes great. And the other thing that I like about this rice cooker is that it has multiple different settings. So this is how many settings that you have, and typically I use mixed rice because I use between brown rice, white rice, and some beans, and this is a perfect for us, but if you want to use any other rice that you can. And the other thing that I gotta say is auto clean. In auto cleaning itself, it cleans the whole rice cooker really thoroughly, so that's another recommendation that I have. And in order for you to maintain the cleanness, make sure to empty the water in here. Like I emptied just now, so I don't have it. But every single time, that's my recommendation to clean it. I hope this review helped. Thank you.